Okay, here we go. East Nasty Part 2.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Trying to get it all on film this time without a crash.
Hey, listen, it's not my fault that it crashed.
No, it's not.
It went under control. Hold
This
on.
is like a stunt roll here.
That's not
Our entrance into stunt films.
Let's go in here. We're gonna lose it. Oh no, it's not gonna work either. Hold on.
Showing?
Yeah. Let's see. This is hilarious. Okay, let me see. I need to go under this layer. That's just one layer. Okay.
Go in between those.
I'm going all the way in here. But the scarves and stuff are gonna get in the way unless you...
I'll hold it just like that. Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. If
Oh,
you
yeah,
keep
look
it
at the
there.
car.
That's what I said last time. Can you keep it there?
Mm-hmm. Let me see where this car's going. Oh, cool. Nope. Don't go straight. Don't go straight. Don't do it.
Say 8.
Say 8. Say 8. Well, we might catch for something even more funny now. Oh, good. They're turning.
A sled plus intertracheal. Oh, stop.
Trach tube. Now I have a camera in my esophagus.
Just stop complaining. Go down the hill.
Alright.
Alright, be careful, I love you.
I'm insured! Woohoo! Oh yeah! To the lamppost! Or to the moon! I made it! I did it! I did it! Look! I made it! The best run ever! That was awesome. Now I gotta go way back there. That was fun. I hope you caught that, camera.